Welcome to Toolbox tutorial, and today we're gonna turn 2D photo into 3D parallax effect. It's really easy and fun to do. So I think for you to work, you have to first subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. So first thing you wanna do, you wanna go to videos, press video. We select this format, 16 by 9. All right, and now let's create blank one. Okay, so now let's select the element we want to edit, like photo. You can upload it, you can choose from the templates from Canva. So let's try. Okay, so let's select this photo. Let's resize it a little bit to fit the screen. And the magic part starts here. You press edit the photo and you press magic grab. So let's select the dog, grab, and let's use again magic grab, but always try to remember to select the photo, not the grab the element, because now the dog is out. So we move dog a little bit to side, we select the human, we select the picture, we select magic grab, and we click on the woman, and we click on the shadow. Nope. We select the woman, we select grab, we grab the woman, we again press on the photo, and we select magic eraser, and we the shadow. Erase. Now we don't have any shadows, nothing. We're coming back here, we're pressing woman, like this. So now what we want to do, we want to duplicate the page. You press on the page you want to duplicate it, you press Ctrl and D, and it automatically duplicates. You don't have to press second mouse, duplicate it, and it saves you some time. In the end, if you're doing a lot of projects, it saves you lots of time. So what we want to do now, we want to resize, let's say for example the dog, we want to resize the woman. Of course, again, we can zoom out whole picture by pressing Ctrl and scrolling the mouse and zoom in the picture like this. So yeah, we're gonna switch the positions like this, and again you press on the second picture you want to duplicate it and press Ctrl D. After that, again you zoom in a little bit dog, you zoom in a little bit woman, and you zoom in the whole picture, and let's move it. All right, and let's zoom in a little bit dog. So now what you want to do, so we're gonna do here, I'm gonna press in the picture, animate, you again select this one, press brief, you add the transition. Again on the page you press edit, animate, brief, you press it here, match and move, scroll out. Again on next picture you're doing same, animate, brief, press on this one also, add it here also. Again match and move, set duration 2.5, and again you press on the picture, animate, brief, you scroll out to 10 seconds, so you can later on when we download it we can see it. So okay, now you press in the top share, download, MP4 format, all pages, download. Okay, after you finish downloading it, you just upload it. After you finish uploading it, you can either open the new window or you can just delete these pages and add this one. So now you have 30 seconds. So expand it a little bit to fit the size. Okay, so now we're just cutting the moving parts. So from here, we expand a little bit. Let's split, or you just can press S button. So we delete this part. Again, let's see what's moving. Okay, so now we want to split this one again. So when you finish cutting all the parts, you press here, add transition, match and move. Again, match and move. So in the end, you have 10 seconds of video like this. And that's how, guys, you can create 2D photos in 3D moving elements. You can use anything you like. You can cut out elements, what you think is best for you. You can do from all the photos. Just use magic grab, erase what you don't need with magic eraser, and don't forget to use shortcut to save your time. So again, thank you for watching this video and see you next time.